Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford EcoSport seat belt warning light issue and outlines potential reasons why the warning indicator may stay on, flash, or behave unexpectedly while driving. In the Ford EcoSport, the seat belt warning light is designed to alert the driver when the system detects that a seat belt is not fastened or when the vehicle believes an occupant is present without proper restraint. This system relies on seat belt buckles, occupant detection sensors, and the vehicle's electronic control modules. Behavior can vary depending on model year, trim level, and safety system configuration. In some verified cases, the warning light may illuminate when the driver or front passenger seatbelt is not latched correctly, even if it appears connected. A worn or contaminated seat belt buckle mechanism may prevent the latch sensor from registering properly. Certain EcoSport versions also use seat occupancy sensors that can be affected by weight distribution, seat movement, or internal sensor wear, which may cause the system to interpret a seat as occupied when it is not. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. In some situations, electrical factors may be involved. Wiring connections under the seats can loosen over time due to seat adjustment or vibration. In newer models, software logic within the restraint control module may also contribute to unexpected warning behavior, especially if updates or recalibrations are required. Possible solutions depend on the underlying cause and may include ensuring all seat belts are securely latched, inspecting seat belt buckles for damage or debris, checking wiring connections beneath the seats, or performing a system scan to identify stored fault codes. In certain cases, sensor replacement or module recalibration may be required, but this is not guaranteed for every vehicle. Overall, seat belt warning light behavior can differ by EcoSport model year, safety system design, and usage conditions. Addressing the issue early is important because the warning system is part of the vehicle's primary safety features. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.